Sumo style. Get in your sumo position. Get in your... No.
No.
Sumo position.
No.
3. Okay. Are you in position?
Alright, it's video. Just go.
I love this part.
Make the move.
That'll piss her off.
Hey, no.
Damn it! Just play.
You're scared shitless.
I know. I can't punch you, so I'm... Ow!
Oh god, she's punching.
You're cool.
Why are you It happens.
You punched her?
No,
I
his
didn't punch her.
shoulder.
Her shoulder. She's like, ah.
I punched his face. I'm sorry.
Alright,
Don't hurt me.
Mikey, you got a mark right. No, you don't. Never mind.
It's a zit, dumbass. God, now I'm gonna be like this for the rest of the night. You're not gonna get
Just give
it.
me your leg. And watch out for that shell.
Drop for the TV. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
You're cool. I guess we're gonna do this when you kill me. Okay.
Let her take you down at least once.
Just
Okay,
one time.
okay, go ahead.
Okay, now fall backwards.
No.
Ow!
God, that hurt my foot.
Are we still? Oh my god, he's so mad.
Not.
Oh, you looked at. Can I punch him in the like?
Just you all, not
And
me.
then, I'm kidding. I won't do that. That's bad. I'm 160 pounds pregnant. I got